What's up, guys? It's Lionel back again with another video, and I didn't really like the last video that I put out, and I drank some coffee, so now I have more energy. And I've decided that I'm gonna do a tutorial on how easy it is to use ChatGPT and create a portfolio website. If you are stuck inside courses right now and you do not have a portfolio website and you're waiting for the course to be done to have a portfolio website, you should not do that. If you know what HTML is, if you know what CSS is, and if you know what JavaScript is, then you are ready to make a portfolio website, and you're ready to start making websites for people, and you're ready to start getting paid to make websites for people. Stop with the courses. Stop with the courses. Everybody, hands up in the air. Stop with the courses. Okay. You have ChatGPT, right? Let's do it. I mean, you can still finish the course on your free time, but on your to-do list, add in there, make a website for my auntie who has a barbershop, who does hair, who braids hair. For my, I don't know, we all know somebody. For my friend who washes cars, make a website for them. For yourself, as a developer, yo, you know what I'm saying? Just do it. Just do it. Don't wait. So, use ChatGPT. Let's start now. Okay, here's a little ChatGPT. I got too many tabs. Let's close all of these. Hey, let's do this one. This is my portfolio website, which is just a Gatsby starter template, but I use this website to get so many clients, and you can do this right now for free. You can do this right now for free, and it will look exactly like this. This is embarrassing. One time I got called out for this at a meetup. A developer was like, "Hey, I know that." I know that, and I was like, "Oh shit, you know Gatsby?" Because look, if you go Gatsby starter template, Gatsby.js starters library. I could have clicked that firstly. Here they are. There's not a lot of them, but some of them are super cool. Matter of fact, we should do this one. I used to have this one on my portfolio. Like, I built it because I changed the name, which they let you do. It says, "Hi, I'm your name." But look at how this stuff behind it is moving, and this is fully responsive, so it looks sweet on your phone. So you could, I mean, hey, you didn't write the code, but yo, you could still make this website for anybody, and I think that that is legitimate. You know what I mean? If that's what people need, why not? So, just because I don't feel like, I mean, I know what to do, but I also want to show you how to find out what to do in case you don't just follow this video. Open up chatgpt.com. I mean, you don't have to, like, if you want to just watch it, but if you feel like actually doing this, like, this is literally what you need to do. Okay, so you're going to come here and you're going to say, I want to make my portfolio website with Gatsby.js starter template and host it on Netlify for free. Netlify for free. Can you break that down in steps for me? And this is literally how you will do anything when it comes to development. Artificial intelligence is out there. Use it. Certainly, creating a portfolio website using a Gatsby.js starter template and hosting on Netlify is a great choice. So first you have to install Node.js and APM. All that is open up your terminal, okay? I'm going to show you how to do it anyway, even though I've already done it for my computer. You just copy this. So you search terminal here, or however you do it on Mac, and then you copy and paste it in here. And I always like doing this because it already makes you feel like you're in the Matrix. Like, if you do this, and then you hit enter. I think I already have that, so I hope I'm not, like, you know, cluttering up my system or whatever. But look, doesn't that look cool? It's just straight up You know, when you're watching like a movie and it looks like they're hacking because all this stuff is happening, you just copy and paste one command into the terminal and it does that. And what this doing is installing the Gatsby CLI. What does that stand for? I don't know what that stands for, but it is needed for, you know, doing this. Choose a Gatsby starter. So let's pick one. Let's pick this one. So then what you do, yeah, oh, it was telling you here too, also. Install with Gatsby CLI. Oh, so that's the exact portfolio right there. That's cloning the repo. Okay, let me stay on track here. Create a new Gatsby. Once you've selected, Gatsby offers various starter templates. Visit them there and choose your. Oh yeah, I didn't show y'all how mine is. Look, mine is right here. Wait, where was it? It was here. If we would have kept scrolling down here, this is me right here. And I use this to show people what I do. Look familiar? I removed this part here. Okay, so there were some prerequisites. For this, you need a GitHub. You should have a GitHub by now, but if you don't, go make one real quick. That's github.com. And then, you know, you have to know how to put copy and paste into the terminal. And you need something like Visual Studio Code to edit the code. That's how you're going to change the website. That's how you're going to modify it, is within here. So yeah, create a new, once you've selected a starter, create a new site using the Gatsby. Replace Gatsby starter with the URL of your chosen starter. Okay, true. So you would basically, yeah, let's do it. Once you selected a starter, customize it once you navigate it. CD my portfolio. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna need to go to our folder that we want to do this in. Let's use my project files here. We're going to open this with the terminal. So I right click on my folder here, go to open in terminal, and then this is where we're gonna do it. Because when we run this little copy and paste here, Gatsby, what it's doing is it's activating Gatsby here. New is creating a new your portfolio site, Gatsby starter URL. And this is going to be the name. This could be any name here. That's all that is what the name of the folders. It's downloading this entire thing into that folder on your computer. That's what copying this code here is doing. You know, and I know that that may be like a duh, but you got to understand I'm trying to speak to everybody here, right? Navigate into, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and let's do this one because it looks cool like that, you know. I think I still have mine that I did before. Oh no, so yeah, we're also gonna need Netlify. Let me go ahead and log into Netlify over here. I'm gonna log into it just to make sure. Better safe than sorry. Log in real quick. I have my code mentor GPT that I made, and then a spiritual guide one that I made, that I use when I'm feeling low. Nice to meet you. Let's get it. Wait, I thought I should have already logged into Netlify before. Hold up. Netlify. Yo, oh, it's because of I forgot that, I forgot that I'm logged into a different, freaking, GitHub right now. Well, I mean, I'll just use this one. It's fine. Let's go ahead and make this real quick. Yeah, we're going to deploy this thing on GitHub. Yeah, authorize. Oh, I'm already logged in, so I can move it over here. Okay, since we're using Netlify, yeah, let's log into mine, install it onto this is installing it onto my GitHub real quick. Gotta use my phone, hold up. I should have like pre-done this. And you know, this is I have to download Git on my phone. But look, this is that shit right here. This is the moment that people get tripped up on when you're actually going to do it and something is annoying and you gotta like go through that step. You know what I mean? It's easy to do the lessons because it's just like, okay, I'm clicking the next lesson. And then you're watching a video, waiting for the course to move on to the next one. It's very linear, but it's easy to get frustrated when you go to do it and you actually have to like do it, you know what I mean? Especially when something doesn't work. Okay. Approve that. Now, okay, here we go. So now I'm logged in with Netlify, and the point of Netlify is to get my free URL and get it hosted. So I get that folder onto my computer where I can now edit and modify it, and then you use Netlify to, from your GitHub repo, after you have created a repo on your GitHub, and then you host it. I'm sure like this is going to be in the steps anyway. I don't know why I'm trying to talk it out. Let's get back to what I want you to do, which is just read and follow the instructions. So we're going to copy this code. We're going to go back to the terminal here, and this is just that command that's going to, you know, make it happen. Not that one. This is project file. So this is going to install that jank inside of our, oh yeah, we have to go back to the, not this, that's Netlify. Go back to the, where is it? Over, nope, that's mine. What was the one with the cool one? We must have backed out of it. We're gonna do this one here. So this, oh, I could have just used this one here. Ha, that's it. So, and it just says, so it's gonna name it this. This is gonna be the name here. Yep. I don't think I need npx, do I? Let's see what happens. We'll just go to terminal. So they say Gatsby new. I don't know if I should. I feel like I should use the one that they said. ChatGPT be a little off sometimes. It's, you know what I mean, like, just, you could do either or, whatever. Try it and see what happens. That's what we about to do. I feel better about this one, and I don't want to like try that one and then have to do this one also. This one was like right on the site, so, but we know that this is the step that we should be at. Okay, I'm not seeing anything happen here. Hold up. Oh, okay. I was about to say, that shit took a while. This is how you know that it was the right choices, because it's cooking. Cloning into Gatsby. This is going to be the name of the folder that we're going to look for here. It's installing all the packages. So what it did was let's visit the demo. It's taking all of this, which was generously created by this person here, theme by Lico Arts. It was created by him. You can go here. This is his website. They just put these out for the world for free for developers, because we're the only ones who are going to really be digging this deep down here around Gatsby, you know. And I don't want y'all to think you need a whole CS degree to do this type of stuff. Come on, this ain't rocket science. This is copy and pasting. And I feel sad for the ones who are like me, who did not get a chance to be a developer in the past because they had to actually like write this stuff and actually learn this stuff. Like me personally, I'm not that type of person who could, maybe hopefully one day, that's my goal, is to really get that. But the same as with auto check, I don't care when I'm texting somebody about it being perfect, the punctuation no more, because the AI auto checks it for you. And so I feel like that's where the world is going now with, I'm rambling because I'm waiting for for this shit to finish. But I feel like that's where the world's going with everything that people write on LinkedIn and stuff like that. It's like, of course, that was probably written by ChatGPT, but when you post it out there, it's like you're endorsing the idea. And I feel like we're just the, arms and the feet and the legs of websites when we're serving that purpose of creating these for someone else, like a business or something like that. You could easily do a one-page React type jank for a business. Man, this is a huge installing packages still. Wow, your new Gatsby site has been successfully bootstrapped. You just follow the instructions here. Start developing it by running CD Gatsby starter portfolio. So that's just moving us into that jank. If you want to use CD, you can. That'll get us into it. Did I just close it, bro? Okay, so we can't by just running CD, but let's open up the folder. And we're looking for, here it is, Gatsby starter portfolio. That shit is probably super small for you to see, but there it is. You right click on that folder and you go to open terminal, and now you see it here. This is the path from my website to that. So now we know that that's where we're at. We just opened this. So if you have Visual Studio Code here, now you can just type code and then put a period and then press enter, and that opens up Visual Studio Code. And here it is. Here are the folders here, which to put out there how you don't really need to understand all of this stuff. We don't even click node modules for real. You're going to source and you're going to go to this folder, and this is all written in Markdown, which is basically like plain old English. Here's the contact. Oh wait, well first, in order to see everything, you can right click and then go to isn't it like live folder? Maybe on the page you gotta do it. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Where's the readme? So let's read in, I'm sure in here somewhere it's gonna tell us. How about we make this bigger too? I stopped reading the ChatGPT too. Let me see what the next step was, because that's what, see, I'm starting to like try to go off of memory here when the whole plan was to follow this. Okay, customize, navigate to your new site's directory and start the development server. So we're there. Oh, Gatsby development. So that's what we need to do inside. We got to start the development server. This is my work. Where's my, okay, here we are. So in order to open up a terminal, you hold Control and press that squiggly under your escape key. And here we are. And now we're going to run that command that Gatsby was telling us to run. Gatsby develop. Pretty self-explanatory. It will start the development server. Gatsby develop. And forgive my noobness in trying to explain this, but what's happening here, to my understanding, is all of the code is being compiled and ran through Gatsby and like all of the mechanical stuff that goes on to serve the website. I think it's just going slow again. Like usually by now, I wish it had like a straight up loading sign somewhere, but since I can't really click here, I think it's running. What is this? Reload required. Oh, we're not gonna worry about that right now. This is an unusually in the meantime, let's see. Your site will be running at localhost. Well, let's check localhost to see if it is running there. No, not right now. Okay, there it is. Jeez, yo, I guess because I'm recording this video, my computer's just going super slow. Now it finally started compiling those files. Okay, so if you're with me, we cloned the repo, ran the command to do that. Then we went to that made the project come from the internet to our computer. Then we opened up the folder, and we, with terminal, opened it in Visual Studio Code, and then opened up the terminal and just typed in Gatsby develop. So now it's building the website with all of the code and all of the automatic shit that was in there because it's a template, right? And this is how we get down outside of WordPress, outside of Wix, outside of Squarespace. You know, this is the type of time that you're going to be doing as a developer. You're going to be Googling stuff. You're going to be AIing stuff. You're not going to be, unless you want to, unless you're on a different path, or remix the two. It's going to be a mixture of two. But what I'm trying to get people to do here is just get active and get busy in the real part. Versus when you're learning to write a function and learning to write a loop, like it's such just a tiny Lego block in the whole grand scheme of things, you know, in the whole scheme of development. And most of the time, at least for me, I have very rarely had to do that on my own from scratch. So I think it's very important to know what those things are. So I would always say, sure, finish a course, but you can breeze through it, especially CSS. Like once I saw, okay, that makes it bold, that underlines it, like you're gonna be Googling that stuff, man. When it comes down to, okay, it's localhost, so it finished and it's on localhost 8,000, not 3,000, and here it is. Now, bro, it looks the same as the other one, right? But we can change this stuff now. Let's see if we can find something to change so that I could show you. That's gonna update as we change it, bro. I keep getting lost. Where did it go? We were in Visual Studio Code. Did I just close it? No, because then it would stop serving, right? Okay. That's a good sign. It's still running. Where is it though? Bro, what? That. Oh, this is why it's going. My computer's going slow because I had League open. Jeez Louise. Let's open it back up again through here real quick. I'm tripping. Okay, we're back in here. Okay, cool. It just opened up. Let me make sure that this is still running. That's sweet. Even if you close, see, it turned off because I closed it. So if I refresh this, it's gonna go away too. Do I have to create a production bundle, use Gatsby build? Note that the development bundle is not optimized. Gatsby build. You can now view. That's viewing it. Oh, do I have to build it? I think as you change it, you have to build. So since we wanted to change something, so let's look at the intro. Hi, I'm your name. Let's change this to say you're a developer and your name is I don't know, Steven. Hi, I'm Steven Jacobs. And we're gonna save this. And then I think since we just made that change, I'm gonna have to let me stop this and Gatsby develop again. I can't remember if this is like TypeScript where you have to compile it every single time. I don't think so, but just on the safe side, I want y'all to be able to see the changes as we make them. So it's Gatsby develop. after I made that change. And I'm pretty sure I'm tripping and you don't have to do that every time. Was it that or was it build? Gatsby build. Shit. What's Gatsby develop? Excuse me. I did that. I really do not feel like editing this video. Okay, to create a production, do Gatsby build. We just did Gatsby develop. Let's see. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm Steven Jacobs. So there you have it. You just go through here. So if you just go to the source, SRC, out of all these folders, this is the only one that you're ever gonna need to worry about. Or the README, if you want your GitHub, take all of this out of here, because if you want to make it seem like you're the one who made this, I mean, you did. Hey, you downloaded it and you changed it. That's all that people care about, is if the website works. Now, we don't want a million of these websites out there looking the same, but I feel like you're gonna be good if you're just trying to, I don't know, you could use this for your portfolio. How about that? Either for your portfolio or for a project that you made. And then look, the background moves and everything. Like, this is awesome. And then you can go through and change all of these. You can customize all of this. You can add. Then you could add your picture in here. You can add your social media links in here, stuff like that. And that was, y'all saw how we used ChatGPT. Prepare for development. Once you're satisfied, create. Oh yeah, we didn't do that. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to make a part 2. I kind of over rambled here, and I could maybe, if y'all want, we'll finish this tomorrow. When all you do there is on Netlify, you're gonna configure your domain and then set up continuous deployment from your GitHub. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment to this. And watch out for tomorrow, where we're gonna finish the other half of this process. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one, Gatsby portfolio. I'm gonna leave this one up. We already downloaded this. I'll do a little whatchamacallit, like a recap tomorrow for the Steven Jacobs one. It's in localhost 8000. For this, where we already made a change. Y'all see that doesn't say hi, I'm your name no more, and all we did to do that was we edited the code that we downloaded here into the intro. This is that, and it's written in Markdown, so it's not even like JavaScript or nothing like that. I mean, this is MDX, and that's the beauty of Gatsby, because you can make pages like this. And then in here is where you bring your pictures inside the static file. You don't need to worry about this. This is all the node modules. Public, I believe that this does matter. This is where, you load your pictures into here. See, you don't need to, all of this is already created for you. So yeah, you're not gonna worry about that public, that folder. You got your pages, I think I saw. Sorry, I'm getting a little clicky over here. I saw pages in here, didn't I? Here it is. So this is where you have some TypeScript, importing everything. See, this I think is what is, hey, this is React here. And page not found theme, go to, so this is changing something else on the website. We could figure that out tomorrow if we want to, but yeah. There you go. You guys have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.